welcome back to another episode of the Greenside Experience. Today I want to talk to you about job site protection. There's some various things we do as the job progresses to protect the new components, the new equipment that goes into these houses. First off, I want to show you, if you notice up here on our return air vents, we've got some filter furnace fabric stuffed in our return airs. What this is going to do is going to catch all the dust, or most of the dust, that's created during construction. It'll help protect our return lines to the furnace. So another thing we like to do is protect our tubs. So you can see here we've got a fiberglass tub, a little extra tall, but we've covered it in cardboard, but also put a sheet of plywood over the top. I don't know how many times I've come into a house and maybe it's a tile guy, maybe it's a drywall guy. They'll be standing inside the tub and there's nails and screws and all kinds of stuff, and they're just stepping all over it, and it's just going to create scratches. So we try to be very conscious of protecting these tubs early on during the framing stage. So this will stay on during the drywall stage and the taping. You can see there's taping mud dripped on it. That tells me it's been sitting here the entire time, and our tub below is nice and clean and protected. So while we're talking about tubs, I want to show you this particular master tub. So this is a freestanding stone tub. It weighs a ton. Got delivered early on because we wanted to make sure we placed the drain and the spout in the correct location. I'm standing in the master closet right now, and this tub actually sits over here in the master bath. So we had it delivered early so we could place the drain and the spout and the handheld valve all in the correct location because they vary so much from tub to tub. But since it's on site from the rough stage, it has to be protected. It's a very expensive tub. So essentially we just sat it down here and we built this plywood box around it. This is actually screwed to the floor. So this hasn't moved in about 3 months, 4 months. It's been here since the rough-in stage. So when we're ready, when the tile guy sets all his tiles and we're ready to set this, we'll peel it open, we'll bring it over and set it in place. All right, guys, so we're on the first floor now of this house that we're doing all the HVAC protections. We were just upstairs. All our supply vents were actually in the ceiling. They were coming from the attic above. So we didn't have to worry about debris falling into those supply registers because obviously they're on the ceiling. But here on the first floor, where our HVAC is supplied from the basement, our supplies come from the floor. So in order to protect our supply registers during framing stages, we cover them with these metal sheets. And that's before we have a furnace hooked up, right? So these essentially just sit right on top, screw, and nothing can go down. But now that we've got our furnace hooked up and we're climatizing, so to speak, the entire house, we need our HVAC to be functioning. So in order to stop debris from going down our supply vents, we cover them in screen. So basically just pick up some replacement screen rolls, cut them into rectangles, and staple them down over. That way the debris doesn't go down, but you can still let the air come on through.